HGV. I'll just see the petrophysical workflow. Usually in the first track we have the GR, SP, caliper. Here we can insert the array from the variable. Select this one and we'll fill the variables. I'm going to try to move the from 0 to L5. So we will give a gas effect or a crossover. It will fill it with yellow, otherwise fill it with brown color. These are just the cosmetics. Just to make a layout.
So do I.
We are going to print this into A4 layout. Whatever you want, the space and you want to print, go to the project and select print option. From here you can change the format size. You want to do the A4 size or some custom size, you can change from here in the properties, in options, and then there are another option layout. You have to select all the pages. Properties, you can see whether it's going to portrait or landscape. I'm going to the printer properties. I'll print it to the print to PDF. And apply and print. And you see how the print comes out. Hit print again. It will ask me for the location to save this data. And just going to save that. Sometimes it depends upon the size of the file or the length of the write. You can author name, the project details, and the layout you have just selected. Now you can print this in
cleaning, and we can independent all the zones that we used in the input of log analysis. And what we're able to do in here is come in and grab these bars that we see in the gamma ray track, and we can independently update each one of the formations, the cutoffs to calculate clay. You can see as we're moving the clean and clay cutoffs, the clay curve over here on the right hand side will update as we drop this bar. We can do this in log plot, or we can even open up a histogram of that curve, and we're showing the same cutoff lines for clay and clean that we will drag and drop based on what we're going to interpret on that curve to recalculate clay. Another option of interpretation is to open up a picket plot if we're using our Archie methodology to calculate water. So under the resistivity track in here, we can find a resistivity versus porosity cross plot. If we open up that cross plot, we'll notice that there's some interactive bars in this cross plot here. And what we can do is interpret where our 100% water saturation line should be. And as we drag and drop that bar, we'll notice in our background that our water saturation curve will update depending on where we drop that 100% line at. After we are satisfied with our interpretation, we've QC'd our results, we think that we've calculated porosity correctly, the clay correctly, our water correctly, what we will need to do is save this information back over into Kingdom. Now there's a couple ways to do this. If we ran a single well, what we can do is we can save that current well, which will save all your information that we just calculated, maybe that we edited, any new information that we have done in Kingdom Petrophysics, it's going to save that back over into Kingdom. So save that current well, which will save this information back into our Kingdom database. Once that data has been successfully saved, the new curves that we calculated from petrophysics into our cross sections, dig down really into this detail analysis that we just calculated out of petrophysics to find areas of potential interest for us.